Welcome to this video series on web components. My name is Craig West. Web components are custom HTML tags that work in any browser. They're native to the browser, and basically they extend the HTML element class. So when you have a tag, you can basically create your own custom tags or extend existing tags. And what we're going to do in this series is actually go through the repo that is here. And if we have a look at the VS Code, we can see that we have 5 lessons, and the 6th will be a library of some ready-made components that are then incorporated into a site which we'll have a look at in the next lesson. The README file in here has all the instructions, and there is also a Word document that has more information on this course. So we'll proceed on now to the next lesson, where we'll see a demo of this final site here. And if you've got VS Code and Live Server or something like that equivalent, if we come in here and if we sort of open with Live Server, you will see that this will now come into this site here. And in the next lesson, what we'll do is I have a little demo of what we can build at the very end of this course, working from the very basics of what a custom element is. So see you in the next lesson.